Hey guys, it's me, Bowser Jr. And today, I'm here with Super Memes. Say hi, Super Memes.
Please don't punch me in the stomach.
He's the best source of soup memes.
And right here we got Blizzard.
I just hit one of your subs.
Now this is from one of my subscribers, so I think. So we're gonna react to it. I didn't want to suffer alone, so I brought these guys with me. So guys, you guys ready to react?
Yep.
Okay, let's
I have
just.
a gun in my head right now.
Okay, let's see. Something's wrong with Bowser Jr. What's wrong with you, Bowser Jr.? Oh, look at me! I'm so sad, you guys. You gotta read the English too. You gotta read it quick.
What happened?
I don't know what to tell you.
Junior? You can always tell me everything.
Okay, guys. First off, we to get this design right away.
Don't, Junior, don't cry.
Hey, don't say that about Toadstool. Oh, you're talking about
He's gonna say, I have a question. I need you to say, ew. I don't think Bowser Jr. is that frail.
I'm not a simp. Oops. I didn't mean to do it. Yeah, sorry guys. We were recording in a closet, so.
Oh, wait, I won't tell you.
I know. I don't want to do the tentacles.
Oh, come on. Just not in the video.
I suffer from loneliness.
Then talk to people. You dumb fucking retard.
Yeah, talk to
You
people.
have someone right next to you. Are you that lonely?
Yeah, I'm lonely.
Yeah, I'm lonely.
Just,
I'm lonely.
Oh,
You don't have these two people.
you don't have any friends? No, I do not. Oh my
What?
god, what a square there.
This does not make sense.
I only have, wow, I only have her as a friend.
Is that Goku? Goku's got. He's in the background. You can't see him.
And Scoop.
That's John Cena. Oh, shit.
Oh, hold on, let me go back a little. I would have you. What a simp then? If we have a girl as a friend, what a simp. You a simp, Junior. Other than me.
Simp ass motherfucker.
Then at school, it's even worse.
Oh, come on. Why are people rude to me? Is it because I'm green? It's because I'm green.
They bully me.
Oh,
They make fun of me.
whoa. Band yourself. What did they call you, Cooper?
Have they always been like this? No, I've been bullied since the 3rd grade.
I'm not reading that.
That's Portuguese, I think.
I'm sorry, I'm not in the same class as you. Oh well, too bad.
Hey,
Get some friends, you stupid Junior. Get some friends. Talk to people.
yeah, Giga.
Even a loser like me got
There's
some
a
friends.
person who is very dear to me. And it's you.
Toadstool, it's you.
I guessed it. I mean, mighty.
Wait. So I know she's the only one that makes me happy. Well, screw my dad then. Yeah, my dad doesn't matter. Okay. I am evil. I'm evil. I'm not a good guy. Look, I just punched this guy right now. I'll punch
you're
him.
evil,
I'll punch you. I'll punch you. I'll punch you too.
If you're evil, then kill all your bullies. Easy, easy.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill him.
Yeah, Joe Rogan style.
Okay. We're not gonna watch the video.
I felt your heart.
I'm not. Oh my god! Look at my eyes. So.
Yeah, it's a
That is
I remember.
that's
I
a
said
terrible character design.
At the moment, I need some.
Oh, well, I can't repeat that.
How long is this video, Mom?
About 6 minutes.
6
Shit.
minutes. Shit.
So we're about 2 minutes in.
I
You approach me. Flashback time.
don't know if I can watch the entire video, honestly.
Oh my god, why does Toadstool have a crush on Mario? Say away, Mario, she's mine! I mean, I don't care about her.
He's Italian and he's white? That makes no sense.
Also, his nose is really big. Also, why does Toadstool have a crush on Mario? Isn't Mario like 30 and she's like
Yeah.
young?
He has a,
Oh my god, look at that Bowser design.
that's ugly.
It was okay. Toadstool, why are you crying? Right, I can open this cookie.
What's going on?
Oh, look at her, she's crying. Would you guys come for her?
I'll just walk by. I have better things to do with.
I'll just be like, just put them in the face.
Fuck you, bitch! Fuck you, nerd!
Well,
Oh yeah, who you like? Is it me?
me?
I can't find me right now, but
What's this?
oh, now he's naked and
He's masturbating?
I already knew you were gonna work.
What is it with the flickering lights, by the way? Why is it flickering?
That's very annoying. I can't really see the text. I need new glasses.
I'm sorry.
Oh wait, that's right. I would never find love. Well, too bad. I never found love either. Neither did these guys.
True.
They only love each other.
I mean, I think I've got a few bitches, but that was only in middle school, elementary school. I don't know.
Well, screw you then. I was just trying to comfort you, but now she's telling me to leave. You know what? I will leave.
Why
are you here with me? Because I have nothing better to do.
He? Who's he?
Yes.
Okay, that sounded kind of weird.
Yes. Yes, and a lot.
What's the highest voice you can do?
They stand. Okay.
I always loved you too.
Yeah.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. I am not.
Hold on. We're kids. Maybe when we're older.
You have a good.
No, I do not have a good heart. Stop the cap. It's okay. I'm not doing the Total voice. you guys gotta do it.
I don't.
I'm not reading that. Okay, blah 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 blah. I need some more friends. Blah blah blah. She's the only friend I have. I screwed my brothers and then my father, and I never had a mother.
Open my heart. Where's the knife?
Oh, that's such a cliche.
Dude, he should just get over it and subscribe to Slam Worldwide. Fuck off.
There's only one problem.
No, I'm not meaning that either.
I'm afraid that my father won't love me.
Anja? It's not like
I'm supposed to be.
Well, I am evil. I'm gonna kill these guys after we're recording. Yeah, goodbye, guys.
Well, if we die, we die. That's the end of the story. He's holding a gun towards our heads. What's the cloud? It hurts.
You say.
Okay, this is pretty long. Why is it so long?
Dude, I'm gonna fucking walk out and run. How long is this?
Oh, we almost finished.
Hang on.
What? I'm gonna get a fuck.
54 seconds.
I love her so much. She's so beautiful, sweet, and
Dude.
what a sim.
I'm gonna do a backflip, my eyes closed. I can break my leg. I'd rather do that than watch this.
Look, guys,
video.
this is a Sim Junior. This is a Chad Junior.
Well, the Chad Jr. is the one speaking, not me, but.
Yeah, me. Well, I'm not a Chad. I'm just not a Sim. There's a difference.
I think I go home now.
If they kiss, I'm walking out.
Okay, good, guys. I think this is over.
If they kiss, I'm walking out.
No, thank you. You already done so much for
Real,
me.
no balls.
I love you.
Okay, I'm doing that
I
motion.
love you. Bye.
There, okay, good.
One last thing.
Uh-oh.
Tell me.
Okay, I'm out.
Okay, guys, that's the end. They actually left. They left. Anything you guys want to say?
That video sucked. Waste of my life. I want to get my 6 minutes back.
Okay, guys. So, what do you guys think about the video?
Sucked. I'd rather die than see it again. Uncreative.
You know she's probably gonna see this, right? Comment.
Well, if he does, man.
No,
It
come
don't
on.
matter.
Look, guys, come on. Say something nice. I don't want to lose a subscriber.
Just don't
Assault
let
him.
people defeat you, man.
Don't let him. I mean her. Whatever.
Good job, I guess, Sono.
Yeah. Say good
job
job.
of making terrible
Okay, guys, that was a decent Gacha Live video for me. Anyways, because I seen worse Gacha Live videos. So, anyways, that's the end. We got better things to do. So, see you guys next time. And anything you want to say before you leave?
Sup to Blizzard Snowstorm?
No.
I don't know. Bye.
Bye.
Sorry.